Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change paper size only last page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we want to change paper size only last page. In this document, go to the last page. Then go to the layout menu and click breaks drop down menu. Then choose next page. Then go to the last page and click size option, then choose letter size. Then zoom out this document and we can see here we change the page size only last page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.